Hello inventors, this is Saurav. In this video, we will learn how to create Call Me Home game using MIT App Inventor. We will use your one sensor also. Okay, so let me show you the demo of this game first. Then we will create this game. So he can see that's our game. Okay, first the screen. Okay, so he can see in the top right. Okay, top right side ball, and he can see the green lines. Okay, and the in the left side bottom is home. Okay, so this home is calling to this wall, suppose. So we have to, what we need to do, we have to use sensor because we are using a sensor to move this ball. Okay, if I just still my mobile in the left, so this wall move like this, and this ball should be reached in this home. Okay, without touching all these green lines. Okay, so make sure you don't touch these green line. So let me just play this game like this. Okay, like if this ball touch this green line, then ball automatically goes to 0 0 position in the, it means in the top position, like this. So this game need a lot of concentration. Okay, like this. Oh, but that's our own game. So why this game is called Me Home? So now how we can win this game? It's easy. Okay, so how we can do that? In the left side you find that home. Okay, you just need to click on that home, just one time click. It means we have opened our all doors. All these are supposed door. Okay, so no one can enter in this house. Okay, so now just play this game again. All doors are open, all green lines are open. You can reach your home very easily. So here we go. So we are using your MIT App Inventor. Okay, so click on start new project, and my project name is Call Me Home. And then okay, now that's our first screen. Okay, you can use your you can create your start screen also. You can create lot more screen, but I will mainly focus on the concept of this game. Okay, and we will design this game. So what I will do here, I'm going to drag and drop one layout here, and that is the vertical arrangement like this, and make this with an hide as full parent. Okay, and then we need to drag and drop here one canvas. So in the left side, drawing an animation, click on drag and drop canvas and make this with an iris full parent like this. Now we need to change that canvas background color. So I will choose the background color to black. Okay, so just black like this. Now I need some image spreads. So what I will do, just drag and drop this one image spread, and we need one simple line image. Okay, so what I will do, I already have one image. If you don't have image, so what you can do, you can open your MS Paint if you are using Windows. Okay, and then just drag and drop one like a rectangle and just save this image and upload here. And I'm using your MacBook, so what I will do here, I'm going to just take a screenshot. Okay, like this in the white, and then open this and just drag and drop your one like that. That you have to do in a paint, MS Paint if you are using Windows. If you are using Mac, then you can do it like this. And then just done to create your image. So click on that image spread, then picture option, upload file, and then choose file. Select this image like this one. Now we need to just drag and drop this image like here, and we need to just copy and paste. Okay, just copy, Control C and Control V, and we need to just arrange all these images like this. Okay, okay, like this. Now I'm going to use here one home. Okay, so whenever someone reach your home, it means the ball reach the home, then we will make it as a winner. Okay, so I'm going to use here one more image spread. Now you can see there's no space. Okay, so what I will do, I'm going to use change that font size to the tablet. So tablet, and then I'm going to use here that image spread like this. And I already have one image spread, so you can use any home image spread. You can just search on the Google and find it. Now click on upload file, choose file, this one, open. Okay, and make this image spread height and width is pixel is around 100 into 100. With this also 100 like this. Okay, so now we need to drag and drop one ball here. So I'm to make this one size to font size. Okay, and then drag and drop this ball here. And we need to change that the color is paint color to something orange. Yeah, orange. And then we will make this radius at least 10. Okay, like this. Okay, now we need your one sensor. So click on sensors and you will find your this one the orientation sensor. So if I tilt my mobile in the left, then this ball move in the left side. Okay, so this ball move according to that sensor, according to our movement of our mobile phone. Okay, now we this ball should be reach in that home. Okay, you can see this one home right here, right? So how we can do that? So we need to use your some coding. Okay, that's the overall design. Okay, you can design according to your requirement. Okay, so now let's go to the block. So whenever we start the game, so first we need to use orientation. So whenever orientation is changed, okay, then we have to move our ball. So click on ball and you'll find your ball dot move XY, this one. Okay. Now we have to call here this orientation change value. So for that, we will simply call here one thing is this stay on maths. Okay. And we need to call here plus module this one like this, call it here. Okay, and we need to add here the get the ball dot x value. Okay, so click on this ball and ball dot x value is this one. Drag and drop this. Okay, in that x value we have to add roll value. So we have to actually that's the formula. Okay, so for that we need to divide this value. So click on maths and you'll see the divide this one here. Okay, and then okay, that's the divider, but in that dividation we need one more thing is into. Click on maths and that's the into one. Okay, now we need to into -1 value. Okay, so -1 value, this one, -1, make it like this. Okay, and then this one -1, and we have to into this -1 value to orientation sensor dot roll. Okay, so click on that sensor option and you'll find roll, this one roll, and drag and drop it here. Okay, like this. Now we need to divide that value by 2. So just copy paste this value from here and then just divide by 2 like this. Okay, now we need to just copy and paste this whole value from here, and then we need to just change ball dot x to y. Okay, and then we need one more thing is this should be a pitch, not a roll. Okay, in the second like this, and everything is as it is to move our ball according to our phone movement. Okay, simple. Now our ball is moving. Okay, that's the code for moving. Now whenever ball collide with any green line, it means that green line, it means image sweep, then we have to move our ball in the top, or you can say in that position. Okay, so how we can do that? Go to the block. So whenever ball dot collide, click on ball and you can see the ball dot collide, this one, ball one dot collide with. Okay, so we have to check first, we need to check the image, if the value is image split, uh, this one, all these, and suppose we need to code for a this one also, it means which one, this home for. Okay, so if the image is split not 5, okay, it not 5, then we will make this ball move, we have to move this ball in that position. If this is the image split 5, whenever the ball collide with image split 5, then our guy has win this game. Okay, so we have to code according that, go to the block. So if, so go to the control, if else condition here, and then we have to check. So we will use a logic, simple equal logic, like that. If the image is split 5, I think this one is, yes, 5. So image is split 5 dot 5, this one is equal to other, this one. Okay, then we have to make our game is a game, you win the game. Okay, so you have to do all that thing here. So what I will do here, I'm going to hide that overall vertical arrangement visible of, okay, false, and I need to true another arrangement. So go to the design and make it font size, make it to visible off. Okay, and I can draw one more layout here, simple layout like this, vertical arrangement, and make this width and height is full parent like this. And we need to just use here one label like this label and one button. Okay, like this. In that label, like you this game, or we can say winner something, winner, or in that button you just say simply restart. Okay, so now you have to design both things. So click on vertical arrangement to make it center, make it the center, make it some space between this, and remove that text value from label and make this height is at least 10% like this. Click on this winner and change this text color to something orange. Okay, and change this vertical arrangement color to something dark, like as a tell. And we can make this one orange to white. It will look more good, and make it font size at least 20, or you can make it 50. And then click on that button, restart button, and make this background color to orange. Make it font bold. Make it font size is 18 like this, and click on this is the restart button. Okay, and this is fine. Now we need to hide this one. Okay, and we need to make this one enable this one. Now we need to enable this block. So which one? Just copy paste this one like this here, and make this one vertical arrangement 2 should be true like this. Okay, now if that ball is not collide with the our home, then we need to move that ball. Okay, so for that, what we'll do, we will use one more one more flag. But before that, we need to, let me just show you one more thing here. We need to code for, let me just do one thing. We just need to, if that is not a ball, then we will move. So we just need to click on that ball. It means here in the canvas, and then the ball is ball dot move. Okay, that one. Okay, if then else, we will use your else part like this. Okay, and then we will move all that ball to the 0 0. Okay, or you can say the top position. You can move it anywhere in the top 0 0. I will move it 0 0 now, or you can make it in a 20 20. No, 10 10 is fine. 10 10 is fine, right? Now we need to use one more thing here. So whenever someone click on that restart button, okay, so on that restart button, it means that one button one. Okay, we need to move our ball in that position. Okay, and then we need to just simply hide. Okay, enable this one, make it true, and we need to just make this false to false. Word arrangement two should be false like this. Okay, now that's for the restart button code. Now, whenever someone touch that or home, it means whenever someone touch that image spread 5, it means here you can see touch down, touch, touched, this one. Then we will open our all doors for that ball. Okay, so for that, we need to create one flag. So you can see the variable and initialize variable, this one. Okay, and we need to initialize this variable to something flag. Okay, and that flag value is, make it true. Just type here true like this. Okay, this true. Okay, now whenever we touch that image with, then we will make our global flag set value. Global flag value should be false. Okay, like this. Right? Now what we can do here, whenever we need to use here one more condition here, then we will use one more if else condition here. And we need to remove this else. We will move that else here, this one here, and we will remove that else from here, right? And if the set value, okay, so use this one and remove this. Okay, if the get flag, if the get flag value, okay, if the value is equal to true, Okay, then we will move our ball to 10-10. But if the value is not true, it means we have touched that ball, it means the value is false. Then this will not move. Ball will not move, and then ball will reach that home. Right? And then if the ball is reached the home, okay, it means is equal to other image 5, then we will make the game is winner. The person is a winner. Okay, so that's the overall code. Simple. Okay, nothing here. So this very small code for this simple game, but like this, right? But that's the overall amazing game. Okay, so if you have some doubt in this game, you can ask a comment, and if you have some suggestion for this game, so just comment on the video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.